Hey beautiful people, I'm Stephanie Renee. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be actually testing out the products that I got in this box from BeautyBlender. If you didn't see me do the official unboxing, please go ahead and click the link below so that you can get up to date. Otherwise, just hold on and I'll go ahead and swipe the video of me doing this look. All right, clean face here and ready to go. I'm wetting my BioPure Beauty Blender. This is the one that's made out of 60% plant materials. You can tell it actually does look a little bit different, but it's supposed to give the same airbrush finish. So here is the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation, which it has this really cute packaging here. I'm showing you that I am wearing the color 4.0 in neutral. But the package has a little locking mechanism, which I think is so smart. So you can lock it when you travel or have it in your bag, and then you just press it into that well area where the foundation comes out and scoop it up with your Beauty Blender. I've also seen other people put in the well oil or, you know, whatever they want to mix with their foundation, which I thought was really smart. So it could kind of be like a blending tray. I'm going to go ahead and just brush this full coverage foundation all over my face evenly. So the Bounce Beauty Blender foundation is suggested to be used with the makeup sponges, of course, the Beauty Blender. It's gluten-free, cruelty-free, vegan, and it also has hyaluronic acid, which visibly plumps and hydrates the skin, helping create a smoother canvas. So while you're wearing the makeup, it's actually treating your skin. It also has antioxidant-rich white birch extract, which soothes and brightens the look of skin. So that's really great because if you're like me and you wear makeup a lot, it's good to have a makeup that is also treating your skin well. So I'm just going to continue blending and blending all of the makeup here throughout my skin. I'm placing the foundation on a trouble area I have on my forehead there. I have a dark spot. So it says that this foundation is buildable and full coverage. So we are going to put that to the test. I also want to share that I have been wearing this foundation quite a few times since filming this initial video, and it is super long wear. The brand says that you can wear it up to 24 hours. I haven't bet that, but I believe I had it on for about 12 hours, and I do have oily skin, and it really kept the oily look at bay. I didn't have to do a lot of retouching and repowdering, as I am a working model, so I work on sets for a long amount of times, and it's really nice when the foundation continues to look the way it looked when you first applied it. So I don't know about 24 hours, but I'd say it gave me a solid 12 hours. So here I am testing out the buildable claim, and I think it did pretty good with the building. Not completely invisible, but I would say that it does meet the medium to full coverage claim. The foundation retails for $40, even though while I'm filming this, I did see that on their website it is on sale right now. So if you are watching this, it might be on sale, so check it out. Step 2 is the concealer. So this is called the Bounce Airbrush Liquid Whip Concealer, and again I'm wearing the color 4.0 in tan ginger. It's the 4.0 neutral is what I'm showing you here, so just neutral, just like the foundation. This retails for $26 and is also cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, and suggested to be used with a beauty blender. I love the applicator. It has a nice point there so that way you can just kind of put it wherever you want it in a very precise manner. I like to put it under my eye, on my nose, pretty much the T-zone to kind of lighten it up, and anywhere that I feel like there are some dark patches. The concealer also has hyaluronic acid in it to hydrate, plump, and smooth. It has tetrapeptides, which are known to reduce the appearance of puffiness, brightens, and moisturizes the eye area for a more supple, youthful-looking appearance over time. So it's great to be, again, wearing it consistently because it is also treating and making your skin look great over time. It also has HD effect pigment, which helps to eliminate the skin to instantly achieve the perception of a flawless skin tone. So it's called the Airbrush Liquid Whip Concealer, and I'm guessing that's why. So here I am doing just like it said, putting it around the eye area so we can reduce some of that puffiness as well as give a lighter look in some of the darker areas of my face, give a little highlight. And I'm trying to do exactly how the directions say, so trying not to do too much rubbing, but doing a lot of tapping to blend, 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 blend in that airbrush. So today I am showing you the 3 steps that was given to me in the box that I received from Influenster via Beauty Blender. Step 1 was the Bounce Foundation 24-hour. Step 2 is the Bounce Airbrush Liquid Whip Concealer that we're on now. And then step 3 is the one that's actually not even available to purchase yet. And that is the Liquid Whip powder. They're calling it the Bounce Powder Soft Focus Gemstone Setting Powder. So that one's actually all new and will be available March 19th, 2021. So here we go with step 3, the brand new powder. This is the Soft Focus Gemstone Setting Powder that I told you guys about. I have it in the color Nutmeg. Here we go. Yep, Nutmeg. And since you guys can't buy it in the stores yet, I'm going to go ahead and read over everything on the back so you feel like it's in your hand as well. So on the front, it says it is the Bounce Soft Focus Gemstone Setting Powder. It is said to lock in makeup and also give an illuminating soft focus. And it says it's photo friendly with no flashback. It says the silky setting powder smooths and locks the makeup in place for an airbrushed finish without any caking or flashback and is talc free. The directions is bounce a damp Beauty Blender powder, brush or puff on the mesh trampoline to pick up powder. Lightly dust all over the skin to set makeup. So here I am trying that out with my Bounce Beauty Blender, the Bio Pure in that gemstone setting powder. Now it is a little bit warm, which I love. So I'm going to put, on my forehead. I'm going to put it as like a little low light on my cheeks, and then as well as under my jawline. Now I did try it with the Beauty Blender as they suggested, but it really gave a really precise placement, and I kind of like a more looser, less precise when it comes to warming up my face. So I did cheat and grab a brush, but if I was setting like a perfect jawline, or maybe if this powder was lighter than my skin, I could use the Beauty Blender and really bake throughout my whole face setting it. But since I got a warmer color, I'm gonna use it just like that, just to warm up my face. It feels very soft and very lightweight as a setting powder. I don't know how much the setting powder is going to retail for. I did try to look everywhere to find out, but my guess is that it'll be between $35 and $40 for the setting powder, but we'll have to stay tuned. Here is the finished look. We did the Bounce Foundation, the Airbrush Concealer, and then finally the Bounce Powder. I hope you guys enjoyed. This was a really fun and easy how-to / tutorial. The products really just worked just the way they said they were going to, so that was great. And I want to make sure that I take my time letting you guys see how it looks by itself, because I'm going to come back with all the other things, blush, highlighter, mascara, all of it. So get a good look. All right, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that video of me actually doing this look. I was going for a fun makeup, no makeup look, which is like my bread and butter as a working model. I'm actually just getting back from working today, and I wanted to do a look that I feel like if you're interested in being a model, or really honestly any girl, has to be able to do the makeup, no makeup look. So super light, super fresh, but at the same time polished, which is like a fine line, because you want to be polished, but you can't do like, the purple eyeshadow today. So this is like my light, easy breezy workout look. which I paired with this cute little workout outfit that I got from PacSun. So, and I love the colors, so I was like, hey, okay, but back to the Beauty Blender. Okay, so you guys just saw the process, and I just wanted to quickly show you guys that they did not lie. The new sponge, the BioPure, which is 60% plant material, which I'm sure you guys have heard all about, really does get 2 times bigger than the case, because you can see it no longer really fits in there, and it was a really nice and snug in there before. So that is true. I do have to clean it up, of course, but I did just want to quickly touch base and say, first off, love this product. I thought it was great how it has the little lock mechanism, and this packaging is amazing. Also, all the products actually really worked well. These could be new staples, and I did run over to Sephora.com and I saw that there's huge sales right now, so definitely check it out. Love the foundation. The concealer was also really great. It applied super smooth, and this is the new. This one's not even available for you guys to buy until March 19th. So if you're watching this, you're getting the exclusive. I tried to search it online. It's literally nowhere, because I wanted to give pricing and stuff, but literally nowhere. So that's a secret, but hopefully, you know, you guys can pre-order soon. So it wasn't available now, but it probably will be later. But this color is Nutmeg, and I thought it was gonna be too dark, but it worked out so perfectly as like just like a glowy kind of look, you know. So I put it, you know, you guys saw me, I put it here and up here and then kind of contoured here, and I think it worked really nicely. So anyway, well, if you guys have any questions about the product, about how it felt, about the colors I got, I will be listing all of that below. Please feel free to go ahead and reach out if there's anything I forgot or didn't cover. But other than that, I really love it. Like, I love the Beauty Blender. I have for a very long time, but I hadn't tried any of their makeup. I just had the Beauty Blender and I had the Beauty Blender cleanser, and that's it. But now I'm a fan. It gives a really matte feeling. Like, even now, it's like I did apply highlighter, but anywhere I didn't apply highlighter, it's tight, it's sharp. If you have oily skin, this could be a good one for you. If you have dry skin, you might need to put a moisturizer down previously. And also, I know I watched Jackie Aina, which she's amazing. I'm sure you guys are already following her, her channel, and she was talking about the previous formula that came out, like I want to say like 2 years ago, and they didn't have a lot of dark shades. I'm curious to see if she'll give it another chance, because I did see that they did. I feel like there's more dark shades than there were previously. I know we are always fighting for more dark shades, so I feel ya, it is hard. I usually have to mix, you know, several colors together, and I'm sure if you're darker complected, you gotta do even more. So you guys let me know if they had your shade, if you felt like they had more shades than they normally have, or if you feel like we still need some more shades. Comment below and let me know. Otherwise, please go ahead and like and subscribe, and I will holla at y'all next time. Thanks for watching.